Kung may plano ang tropa niyong mag-road trip sa bandang Tanay Rizal, isa sa pwede ninyong puntahan ang kabubukas pa lamang na spot na ito na na-discover namin sa area, ang Maybel's Hotel and Restaurant.
Actually, the Maybel's is like a boutique and restaurant, cafe, function, and eventing. So we have a sky bar on the 4th floor po.
Dito, makakatikim ka ng mga sobrang pamilyar na mga dishes na may very local na touch. At huwag ka, binibida rin nila dito ang ilang mga dishes na di natin masyadong kilala. Gaya na lang nitong ibinahagi sa akin ni Chef Erin na Bayuko.
Napakasimple lang po. It's like, in Tagalog, it's like ginataang kuhol. Kuhol. And that's all.
So yung sourcing po ng Bayuko is from the Dumagats?
Yes po. Actually, napakasimple lang niya, no? So,
Okay.
so gisa lang po natin siya. So, next po is, of course, the shell na po. Ito po yung tinatawag natin na Bayuko.
Bayuko.
Actually, kahit saan po is makikita to, chef eh. Chef, na-boil ko na po siya, na ano ko na po siya, napakuluhan ko na po
Na-blanch
siya.
na ito.
Na-blanch na po together with the ginger din po.
Alright.
So, yun po siya. Pakuluin lang natin siya, 10 to 15 minutes until yung kanyang mga liquid lumabas. So, ganun lang po din siya kabilis lutuin. After that, chef, we will put on the, ito na po,
Kakang gata.
kakang gata. Yes po. Yun na po natin dyan. Ito po the patis na, chef.
So yun yung parang pinaka-seasoning natin dito,
Apo.
fish sauce, ano?
Ito na po, malunggay.
Malunggay.
So, the ginger, and then the gata, and the shell. So, yun po, din lang siya maglalaro yung lasa po.
Alright.
Bukod sa Bayuko, syempre tinikman ko rin ang ilan sa mga pinagmamalaki nilang bestsellers. Starting with their appetizer na fried mushrooms.
Dreads by corn flour, and after that, you have to fry. After that, crispy na siya, sir. And then, of course, yung atin lang, yung naiba lang siya just because for the vinegar. The Maybel Special Suka.
Panalo tong kanila. Appetizer nilang mushroom. Grabe. Hindi ko na unahin ko eh.
So, we have the chicken binakol. Actually, it's like a tinola. But on the other part, naiba lang siya kasi from the tinola, it is with the coconut water ang ginamit and the coconut itself. And some chicharon on top and garlic.
Native. Good job. Ba? Well, lemongrass. Tapos ma-ginger. Sweet yung broth. Lahat ng checklist for binakol. Good.
It's a baby back curry. We have the onion rings and we have the butter mixed vegetable. So, yun po yung component niya.
Smoky aroma. Check. Tenderness. Super check. Flavor. Winner na winner. Nanood sa loob yung marinade niya. If these are their best sellers, contender to.
Everybody, kahit saan, merong suman, merong biko. But dito po, medyo in-infuse namin. Ni-roll po namin siya. And after that, we have put langka and the fresh coconut milk. And we have the chocolate na nandun sa piling niya. And the other one is the ube and makapuno. Yun po yung ino-offer namin dito. And dinip-fried po namin siya. And after that, we make another the chocolate butter roll.
May salty element ako nakukuha. Meron siyang crushed peanuts, which serves as a surprise. I like it.
Their offerings, familiar tayo, kare-kare, crispy pata, binakol. Maganda sa kanila kahit classics yung siniserve nila. They're serving it right.
At after nila akong busugin sa Maybel's, naisipan ko namang ibalik ang favor by raiding their kitchen para maghanda ng isang simple pero very comforting na dish. Gamit ang mga sangkap na meron na sila sa kusina.
So I'm thinking for a quick and easy dish. What better else to use? Kundi seafoods. So we have here, so I can see mussels and shrimp. So naka-portions na yung mga gagamitin nila dito for their a la carte or for function. So we have that here. So we have mussels, tsaka shrimp. Let's just come up with something really light, pero with bold flavors. Kailangan gawa mo tayo ng stock. For our garnish, let's use some celery. Okay. Now at this point, bubuin na natin yung pinaka-broth natin. And mussels is one of those favorite ingredients of mine when I want to build a robust, flavorful seafood stock. Although I'm thinking of using just a few mussels, pero para lang mas malalim yung lasa. Let's add in garlic lang, siguro mga 1 teaspoon. 1 portion of our shrimp blanch. Please take note, wala pa tayong sinisisam dito na kahit ano. Yung ating onion and ginger. Buko.
Patis.
So for our garnish, we will make a quick leeks oil. So we have here yung dahon ng leeks. Magpapainit lang tayo ng kaunting cooking oil. And then i-blender natin para ma-extract natin yung color ng ating leeks. Now that is our garnish, baby. Chefs, please dig in.
Okay.
Our simple comfort soup.
Comfort soup.
Gulat ako may buko.
Very light, no?
Yeah, very light, very clean.
Hinuya mo siya. Maramdaman mo lasa niya.
You have the bite of the...
Yeah. So, Chef, ito pong green, it's
Leek oil.
liquid. Wow.
Yeah.
So, that's why pala naamoy ko. Ang bango.
You have a bite and then the flavor.
Yeah. Pasado ba yung niluto
Super.
natin?
Super approved.
Super approved, Chef.
Nice. Nakachamba
Very
na
good.
naman tayo.